You are about to view the 5000 series benchtop wire stripping machines from Major Electronics. The 5000 series machines are totally automatic with the 5005 and 5010 state-of-the-art no wire adjustment technology. On your screen is the 5002 with stripping capability of 26 through 10 gauge wire. Adjustments are made for wire gauge and length of strip with a maximum of 1 1/4 inch. The wire slug can be left on or taken off. Placing a wire in the machine activates a sensor that strips the wire. The 5003 heavy-duty stripper has capabilities of stripping wire 14 to 6 gauge. The 5003 has the same features as our other machines and comes in a totally automatic version, the 5010. The 5005 automatic state-of-the-art machine strips 24 through 14 gauge wire with no adjustments for wire gauge. All of our machines carry a 1-year warranty from date of purchase. Along with wire strippers, Major carries a line of ferrule crimping machines and ferrules. Our latest machine is a stripper crimper for loose piece insulated terminals. Placing a call to 1-800-966-2345 will connect you to one of our wire experts for complete information on our series of machines.